Good morning, students. Students, we have completed question number 1 and 2 in previous lecture, and today I am going to tell you about question number 3. That is also depends on factorization. I want to repeat that thing. Factorization means to represent any term, any number or any expression as the product of two terms. So we take question number 3 today. What is that? Factorize (21ab minus 14b plus 3a minus 2). Represent this expression as the product of two. That I want to share. So what you have to do, first you find the common factors, or find the common factor of when 4 terms are there, then common factor of these two and common factor of these two. What is the common factor of 21 and 14? Both are divisible by the maximum number which divides both, 21 or 14. The largest number is 7. Both are divisible by 7. And A तो यहाँ है ही नहीं, common factor, not include A, and B is there. B is also common. So divide this term by common factor, 21ab upon 7b, 3a. 21 by 7, 3. B by B cancelled out, 3a is left. Minus sign is there, 14 by 7, 2, and B by B is 1. B से B cancel हो जाएगा. And now here, 3 और 2 में कुछ भी common नहीं है. A is there, but A is not there. तो A भी common नहीं है. Whenever nothing is common, तो 1 is common. That is must. भाई जब किसी भी नंबर से दो नंबर डिवाइड नहीं होते तो दोनों नंबर 3 से तो डिवाइड होंगे ही होंगे, 1 से डिवाइड होंगे. तो टेक 1 एज कॉमन. जब कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं आता तो 1 कॉमन ले लो एंड राइट दीज एज इट इज. नाउ इन दीज टू ब्रैकेट्स, व्हाट इज कॉमन ब्रैकेट? दिस ब्रैकेट इज कॉमन. टेक दिस आउटसाइड. 3a minus 2 is right outside. What is left over term? 7b. What is left over term? 1. 3a minus 2 is outside, 7b and 1 as it is. These are the factors. In this way we can factorize the given expression. Now question number next. Let it is E part. I want to write E part of question number 3. This one is A. E part is this. Factorize 3a square plus 9ab plus 12b plus 4a. This type. So first you find the common factor from first two terms. What is the common factor of 3 and 9? 3 is there, क्योंकि दोनों बेटा 3 की टेबल में आते हैं. A square और A में मिनिमम पावर A is common. Now divide this term by this. अब दोनों टर्म्स को 3a से डिवाइड कर दो. 3 to 3 cancel. A square by A is left. 9 by 3 is 3. A से A cancel, B is left. Now in these two terms, what is the common factor of 4 and 12? 4. और A और B में क्या common है? Nothing. तो only 4 is common. When you divide this by 4, 4 3s are 12, 3B is left, और 4A में से 4 outside, या 4 से 4 cancel, A is there. तो in this way 3b plus a, this is also 3b plus a. If your common is right, then both the brackets should be same. Both brackets should be same. Now write the same bracket outside, a plus 3b. No difference is there, a plus 3b or 3b plus a, these are same thing. What is left? इसको बाहर लिख दो, 3a is left and this one is 4 is left. This is the answer. So in this way you can factorize the expressions which having 4 terms. ऐसे आएंगे बेटे. Students, now I want to discuss about next exercise 14.2. That is also same, I mean based on factorization, but somehow method is different. तो just like question number 1 is there. देखो इसमें क्या करना है. 14.2. What is given? X square minus 14x plus 49. Factorize it. Beta, in these types of question you will find first term is complete square. First term, this one, is the square of x, and last term is also complete square, 7 square. ठीक है. First term is complete square, last term is complete square. In the one type, it is type 1, and the middle term is 2 into first term into second term. जैसे 14 can be written as 2 7 जा 14 और x as it is. अब ये x, this is first term, जो फर्स्ट नंबर का स्क्वायर है वो as it is. लास्ट टर्म इज ऑल्सो ए स्क्वायर ऑफ सम नंबर, दैट इज एज इट इज. तो 2 अपनी तरफ से, 2 इज फ्रॉम योर साइड. तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज 2, 2 इंटू 2 अपनी तरफ से, फर्स्ट टर्म सेकेंड टर्म. द आंसर शुड बी दिस. एंड व्हाट इज दिस बेटा? दिस इज, व्हाट इज इट? ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर. ये आइडेंटिटी होती है. आइडेंटिटी मीन्स फॉर्मूला इज देयर. दिस वन इज a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. फर्स्ट टर्म का स्क्वायर, वहाँ से फर्स्ट नंबर आएगा. सेकंड टर्म स्क्वायर, ये सेकंड नंबर आएगा. एंड साइन इज दिस. इफ माइनस इज देयर देन माइनस विल बी देयर. तो व्हाट इज इट? दिस वन इज, फर्स्ट टर्म इज x, सेकंड टर्म इज 7, and sine is this whole square. Write it 2 times. These are the factors. In this way you can factorize it. Example. Now second question, B part. 4b4, 4a raised to the power 4 minus 4a square b square plus b raised to the power 4. So बेटे write in the same way. 4a raised to the power 4 is the whole square of 2a square. 4 is the square of 2, a raised to the power 4 is the square of a square. Plus, now write the last term, b raised to the power 4 is the square of b square. Now write this one, 2 into first term into second term. This is the formula now. What was the identity? X square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to x minus y whole square. कैसे होता है ये? फर्स्ट टर्म का स्क्वायर, फर्स्ट टर्म तो यहाँ से लो, सेकंड टर्म ये लो और साइन ये लो, एंड राइट द होल स्क्वायर. तो व्हाट इज इट? फर्स्ट टर्म इज व्हाट? 2a स्क्वायर last term is what? B square and whole square and sign is this. So write it 2a square minus b square 2 times लिख दो 2a square minus b square. This is the answer. In this way you can find the square of any number of any terms which having 2 complete square and in between 2 into first into second. ये टाइप है बेटे. सेम is the D part. C part somehow different or D part is same. Next identity is different. ठीक है बेटे. We can complete this in next lecture. Okay then. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.